Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring the proper usage of a and any and some in English grammar. These small words can sometimes cause confusion, but fear not. By the end of this lecture, you'll be using them with confidence. Let's dive in with some examples. A and an. We use a or an before singular countable nouns to indicate any non-specific or non-particular item. Use a before words that start with consonant sounds. Use an before words that start with vowel sounds. Examples: I have a pen. Pen starts with a consonant sound. She's reading a book. Book starts with a consonant sound. He bought an apple. Apple starts with a vowel sound. She's an honest person. Honest starts with a vowel sound, but it's the sound that matters. Let's discuss the use of any first. We use any to refer to an indefinite or unspecified quantity of countable or uncountable nouns. It's often used in questions and negative sentences. Examples: do you have any questions? Used in a question. There aren't any apples left. Used in a negative sentence. There isn't any coffee in the cup. Used with an uncountable noun. Now let's discuss the use of some now. We use some to refer to an indefinite, but positive quantity of countable or uncountable nouns. It's commonly used in affirmative statements. Examples: I'd like some ice cream, please. Used in an affirmative statement. She has some friends in the city. Used with countable nouns. He needs to buy some flour for the recipe. Used with uncountable nouns. Practice exercises. Now, let's practice what we've learned. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate choice a, an, any, or some. There are some exceptions for using some in interrogative sentences instead of using any. When there is a suggestion, request, or asking for something. We use some, for example. Would you like some coffee? Asking for something. Could you please pass me some sugar? Requesting. Can I have some help with this project? Requesting. Let's grab some lunch together. Suggestion. If you are still feeling problem, watch this lecture many times till you feel that you know the use of a, an, some and any, and keep practicing, and soon you'll master these words in your everyday conversations. Remember that language learning is a gradual process. So don't hesitate to keep exploring and expanding your knowledge. Great job! And happy learning!
If you have learned the use of a, an, any, and some, then follow the link mentioned below in the description section to attempt quiz and examine your learning. If you really learned something, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel.